Good morning, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the new topic of account. The name of this topic is asset. Okay, first we should start it with the definition of asset. Asset is the simply that can help to generate the revenue in the business is known as the asset, like the plant, machinery, furniture, building, land. Okay, now we should discuss the type of the asset. There is a three type of asset: current asset, non-current asset, and fictitious asset. Okay, now we should discuss about the current asset. Current asset is also known as the means that can say that is easily converted into the cash. Like the example of the current asset is the bank stock, sundry debtor that can be easily converted into the cash, and the duration of this current asset is 1 year. Now we should discuss about the non-current asset. Asset name suggests non-current asset that cannot easily converted into the cash. The example of non-current asset are land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, equipment that are the non-current asset and that are not converted easily into the cash. And the duration of this non-current asset is more than 1 year. Okay, now we should discuss the fictitious asset. Fictitious asset are the asset that are shown on the balance sheet, and the main purpose of this fictitious asset that can be used to write off uh, write off the expenses. Now I can give an example for this, that like the incorporation of the company, where the issue of the shares, debentures, some time of IPO, and like the preliminary expenses for the creation of company, that is the very huge amount, so we don't directly insert into the profit and loss. So we should create an a particular account which we call the fictitious asset, and we inserted this amount, and after that we should write off the each amount on the basis of year. That is a fictitious asset. Okay, one type of category I also forget in this video. I also suggest a tangible asset and intangible asset. Tangible asset that can be seen and touched, like the land, building, plant, furniture, equipment. Intangible asset that cannot be physical existence, like the goodwill, patent, copyright, trademark. Okay. Okay, friend, we should completely get the knowledge about this type of asset. Thank you very much, friend. Please like my channel, subscribe, and share this video to a person who is really want this video.